Hello guys, welcome to my vlog. Guys, mga next week guys, first time namin mag vlog father and son fishing adventure guys. So maybe next week guys mag overnight kami sa Talikod Beach Island. I hope guys you support us. Please click the notification bell and follow and share. Nice guys. Basta guys, wala kaming dala guys. Catch and cook kami. Tapos kung maliliit guys, catch and release. But kung ano guys, magkinaunsa man guys, dala lang kami ng soft drinks, ice at saka bahaw guys, dukot. Para gutom na guys niya, wapag nakuha guys. Magpatuob na lang dito guys, sabay namin magpatuob guys. Sige guys.